Hello, another cool stuff from China, ordered online. So let's open it up. Made in China. Says here, made in China. Made in China. For the sake of video. So the brand is Wnew, Wnew. The instructions version 1.11.2020. So it's new version, 2020. Oh, it's compatible with GMR 1 and it's all written in Chinese. I don't get it. Oh, so could be used as a center jig for the GMR 1 and these are tips on how to use the product. Oh, English. So it has English. Machine assembly. Drilling of universal bakelite plate. Bakelite or bakelite. Honestly, I don't know how to pronounce it. Can be used to cut circles, circular grooves, and cutting tenons. I mean mortises with its included self-centering jig. And some B. 2 set screws and the screws. Stick. This is D. Each drill bit 6 millimeters, 6 mil, or that is about 1/4 of an inch. Says here ISO 9001. Allen key for the set screws. Oh, it's fairly heavy. It's fairly heavy. It's made of, says here, bakelite. Pretty heavy. Says here, milling circle auxiliary tool for trimmer. So this is the bakelite. Adjusting aluminum block plus handle. This is the adjusting aluminum block. And this is the handle. Centering ring. This is the centering ring. Basically, it's a flange. Oh, okay. There's a groove here for the flange. Okay. There. Drill bit plus limit ring. The 6 millimeter drill bit. This is 6 millimeter because trimmers are usually 1/4 of an inch. Bits are 1/4 of an inch. So this is the limit ring for drilling. The quality is very good. I'm impressed with the quality of this product. Okay, so this is the limit ring. And don't mind the hump, it's my freezer because I'm selling ice cream. It's really good quality. Positioning rod. Oh, okay. I think it's also 6 millimeters, so 1/4 of an inch. It's got the same diameter with the drill bit. Milling center slot bolt. Okay. Mounting screws for the GMR 1. 5 screws. I think these set screws are extra. This is the Bosch GMR 1. So all we need is the base. Should I remove this? So the screws go under. The screws go here. It's countersunk. Oh, no, really. This one is large round over it. This one also have large round over it. I'm looking at this. And it should be placed here. Oh, fortunately not. That is so easy. Very easy enough, work it so fast. These needs work. Of course, with time. Okay. And should be this in there. Because right here, side this, side this, and okay. Right here's plastic. And it's not flat. Or should we see? because it's plastic. Center pin. There. See? Safe. So the number screws just a bit too much. Maybe it. That's right. It's no good in trying. Yeah, it is the best way to do it because when you're routing, you're rolling here, supporting here. Come on. So this way. Yeah, now we're centered. The position of the holes dictates the direction of installation or how we install the base. So we really need to remove this. The problem is this plastic tab here is in the way, and we should trim this part here. See, no choice. I need a sharper blade. The other part. Yeah, it's the other sharp blade. It's done. Sanding will make this easier. There we have it. Oh, if you're wondering about the price is in a country here it's 1,285 pesos shipped from China. Impressive quality. Okay, so this will serve as the center for the hole. We will demonstrate later. So it's a screw. Okay. Screws into place. This will serve as the center of the circle. If this is a router bit, okay, so it slides here. The knob is here. Okay, locks into place. It fixes the radius of the desired circle. Neat. Okay. Shortly we will demonstrate how to cut circles with the jig. It's got a very satisfyingly smooth action, and the center pins are located here. No, they're not here. These holes are for the center pins. So depends upon the thickness of the material. You can have it here. Very useful in cutting mortises. And we're gonna cut a circle today. So we have marked our circle. So I googled the material. It's called Bakelite, a thermoplastic, and it's heat resistant, scratch resistant, chemical resistant. the knob can loose while the router is running. Can get loose, so it must be tightened. The only problem with using this jig is the knob can get loose here, but it can be tightened, and this can get loose the center lock, the center pin. During the cutting of the circle, the center pin might get loose. Better to tighten it properly. Now let us try cut some tenons. It's my first time to use, and it's my first time to cut mortises. So that's it. You be the judge, and thank you for watching.